Hey guys, welcome back to another short little video. Today I want to share an epoxy tip with you. Um, if you've done any epoxy or you're thinking about doing it, you'll hear people tell you that you need to do a seal coat on your wood, at least one, if not two, and sometimes even three. Because the wood has to be completely sealed before you put that top flood coat on, or you'll get bubbles because there's air in the wood in any little crack or crevice, and it'll come up through. But you don't need to use epoxy. Let's face it, epoxy is expensive. You can do it in shellac or polyurethane. I like to use shellac because it dries quick. I've got these chessboards. I'm going to hold this up here. And this has been sealed with shellac. And now I'm just going to lightly go over it with some 180 grit sandpaper. Don't burnish your wood. Don't go past 220. Most of the time when I'm doing epoxy, I'm only sanding to 120. But I got some 180. Got this new Bosch router sander that I picked up at the estate sale the other week. If you want to see that and see what I picked up, go back and you'll see it under the woodworker's #1 problem. The last half of that video is showing you what I picked up at the estate sale and what I paid for it. So we're going to sand these. I've got 3 of them. I'm going to sand them real quick, and then we're going to do a flood coat of epoxy on them. There they are. Let's go pour some epoxy.
And here's the finished product, guys. I hope you enjoyed this short little video and picked up a little tip. Good luck on your next pour. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. Have a great week, and we'll see you next time. Bye.